Today we're gonna need to go and change some brake fluid because I changed the brake reservoir position. So if I stand upright like that, the level is just below the lower limit. So I just want to go buy some brake fluid from Perry Bikes, but I'm gonna be taking this, which is a Hyosung GD250.
First off, I'm just gonna pop to the petrol station because we do need fuel. When I first started riding this bike, the front brake would just disappear, just go all of a sudden, no warnings, just on the brakes and then gone. Yeah, that was a cop, and this bike is making lots and lots of little big backfires. I'm not quite sure why, probably because it's so cold. But hey, it is what it is. Good morning. I'm good, and yourself, eh? Can you get $100 please? Yeah, petrol's going up. I think it was like 50 cents per litre. Just take a minute to appreciate this bike, because it looks so cool. I mean, let's go. Oh, when I just sit in that position, one butt cheek up towards the edge.
Let me explain.
Lock your right leg towards the tank. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to die. And then you want to angle your hips more out, like that way. And then you really want to stick your left knee out. If you don't stick your left knee out, it's going to feel like you're falling off the bike. Whereas you want to make an angle out that way, and then put your left knee, try and stick it out. So you just want to be open to the corner and lean into it. You don't want to be falling next to the bike, you want to be falling away from the bike. Good, it's it. Can somebody tell me, what are those things on the top left of the taxis for? Is it like a curtain? No, I doubt it's a curtain. What is it for? I see them, some of them have two, some of them have one. What is it? Lights maybe? I don't know. If I had a safer place to stop, I'd ask. Good old South Africa. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
Takes up pretty much the whole lane, so you have to go into oncoming traffic. Very nice. Very cool. Oh, let's do this. This is fun. I love just using some obstacles as little funsy courses, like if there's potholes or just... Okay, maybe not potholes because it's a pretty dangerous place to do it. The reservoir that always is not full because there's load shedding, so with load shedding the pumps stop working, and then sometimes the reservoir just gets lower and lower and lower and it doesn't fill up, and then you have low water pressure. And at one point we had no water and no electricity, but hey, at least we can have just one sometimes. Okay, it's really not that bad, I lie, but hey, that guy's talking on his phone while riding. Actually, I'm pretty much doing the same thing, I guess. This has got an nice corner too, but it is pretty dodgy if you don't really trust the front brakes of your bike. Okay, this is just traffic, so you probably don't want to see any of this. Bye.
A few moments later.
Huh, you know what, they may very well be closed. The reason being is it was a public holiday yesterday. Oh. It's a cool little car. Mazda what? Hey, let's see what they got here. No one's gonna steal a Vaza that doesn't work. How's it? I'm good, and yourself? Good, I'm just having a look. Shut up, noisy bike. That is Perry Bikes, so if you're looking for a Triumph Daytona or Ducati Super Sport or a Triumph Scrambler, they got them all decently priced and in pretty much new condition. So if you want to get a bike, go get them. The last time I went to Black Bikes, there was about 7 bikes or so, because that broom was about quarter full. So I'm curious to see how they fit so many bikes in there. I don't know if I've set the white balance correctly for this video. It's at 5000 Kelvin, but yeah, no big effort, it's not right. And then shutter speed, the auto, I've got the 16 ND filter on. I just want to keep the 16 on all the time. 32 is nice for a very bright day, but then like it sometimes works and it sometimes doesn't because of the angle of the sun, and no, actually I don't know, but it just seems weird. I can take off the ND filter if I go into a dark space and it will still adjust and look decent. But if you're a little bit overexposed, your colors are then going to get washed out, which makes everything just look like shit, and then you have to adjust in post. Oh, thank you. That sounds nice. Ooh, that does sound nice. Sounds very nice. What the hell is that? Oh, it's the line. I thought the line in the road was dragging behind that truck, or a pole dragging behind that truck. Thank you. Yeah, this is pretty much one of the, it's like the California of Durban pretty much. So there's like your supercar dealerships, there's Porsche, there's Ferrari on the side, there's Black Bespoke, what this other one is, Carbon Black Auto, yeah there's one, Accents, that's the one. I do want to have a look, see what all the bikies are there. Whoa, yeah. Let's just show you around Black quickly. Sheesh, look at this. Look at this, a bit rusty and dusty. Rust and dusty. But you can see it did look, oh, swag. Look pretty cool. Some cool cars inside normally, but I'll come back for the best for last. What the heck? A 3-liter V6. Damn. There's a Ferrari dealership. It's got for the cool stuff. So before there was about 7 bucks in here, and now there's more. I'm gonna take off the ND filter for this because it is inside. Hey, that's cool. It's the dragster. Swag. Yo, these are clean. These are clean. It's the old R1. Damn, that is sick. SV1000. Sick, dude. Okay, I'm gonna take off this because it's getting hot. The Jigsaw 1000, way before my time. Modern Jigsaw. Swag, it's got a dope pop. I don't know, these are a bit of a polarizing opinions at the back end. I think it looks sick. Then we got another Jigsaw. Geez, there's 1, 2, 3 Jigsaws. 4. These are cool. Z1100. And then there's this thing, which is another old school bike. 6-cylinder. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another, yo. Straighter than straight pop. No exhaust on the end. But that looks clean. Pretty close to the sea. And these parts tend to rust super easily. So I have no idea. Oh, it's carbureted. Even the back here. Shoosh. Look at that. Look at that. Hardly any rust. Damn, dude. Look at them clocks. This was ridden quite well. 47,000. There's a Fireblade. A Whale. CBR 600. Yeah. I'm not lying. Then I don't know what they're nicknamed. Those are swag. At the back, there's an old school R1, which I've seen. Ooh, hey. have to see. Oh, sick. Oh, it's ready to bumpy. Please don't be a call. Hey, let's go. Such a lovely road. Actually, you know what? I'm actually gonna do that again. I think my GoPro is dead, am I? No, we're still recording. Good, good, good. That's why we record at 2.7K instead of 4K, because the battery lasts longer. I actually use the back brake pretty much at 80% of the time in conjunction with the front, because I did have an experience with this bike when I was first riding it. The front brake would just disappear. Thank goodness it only ever did that really at a stop. I do need to find a new rear tire for this bike, because she is looking a little bit slim, you know. When I was riding on the one Sunday, the back end was slipping out in one certain corner. It was pretty dodgy. Hey. A lovely corner, that one. We don't record in 4K, but when we export to YouTube, we do export in 4K. But we don't get YouTube's compression, which is absolutely horrendous at 1080. Oh. Yeah, that wouldn't be very cool of you, my G, to block the entire road with your big boat. No pedestrians here. If there are pedestrians, then you stop. You make sure that you stop. There are moving trucks here, so we're not going to do anything stupid, okay? We're just going to take it nice and slow. Nice and slow today, okay? And we are doing 40, so that's okay. For you. I just prefer to record at 25 FPS, because 25 FPS is known as PAL. PAL versus NTC. PAL means progressive something something, and NTSC, the scanning top is pretty much interlaced, so everything looks smudged. But I don't want to smudge.